Hello guys, welcome to AliouTV, and in this episode we have a new collection in AliouTV's arsenal. As you can see, this was the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we have been shooting all the videos in AliouTV using this phone. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and from now on the AliouTV videos will be shot using this phone. Now it's in a tinier box because they removed the adapter, and it's Apple's ways of doing things, and this was having the adapter. And from now on we'll be talking about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's unbox this. So from here they have this green arrow to show you from where to pull. So here, yes, we just remove this, and yes, we have this little white pull here to remove the phone. So yes, this gives us the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue. And look at this beauty. And let's remove this. And voila, we have our iPhone 12 Pro Max. This will be the main camera that we will be shooting AliouTV videos. And just have a look. This is the manual. They give you an Apple logo sticker, SIM card remover, and this is the cable to charge your phone. But as you can see inside, that's all we got. There's no adapter. And I think by next year, by the time you get the iPhone 13, Apple will be going wireless, because that's the point here. So they'll be first removing the adapter. Next time, you know, no more cable. So yes, let's on this. Let's just go through the basic setups. So we have the hello world here, and we need to select the region we are in. Let's choose Malaysia. Yes, this is where we are. And after this, this is a quick setup, so you can choose a quick setup. That one you can pair with your old iPhone. Let's go with manually, and English as the language. Now we can connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, let's connect. And yes, we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Data and privacy, continue. And Face ID. Let me quickly set up the Face ID. Next is to set up a password. Done. This option is how you want your apps and data to be transferred to the new phone. So you can restore from one of your iCloud backup. You can transfer directly from your old phone. You just need to bring them close together and on the Bluetooth from the old phone. Or you can transfer from one of your PC or Mac. Once we set up our Apple ID, now we need to agree the terms and conditions. All of these are basic setups that we need to go through in order for us to use the phone. And here comes the Siri. So this is, we are setting the Hey Siri. Hey Siri is done, and we almost done. And we don't want to share anything. Continue. We want the screen time. App analytics, we don't want to share that right now. True tone, yes. Continue. And yes, of course, dark mode. And we almost there. Standard instead of zoom display. Okay, continue, and welcome to iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we have some apps that comes with the phone that you don't have to install Most of them are from Apple, and some really necessary apps that you use on your daily basis. Now let's find the camera and get a look at it. No, we don't want to enable our location. Next, we need to try out the camera, and here it is. Yes, you can see my setup here, from the iPhone 11 Pro Max to the 12 Pro Max, all in one. Now let's go and shoot. From my perspective, this is already a better camera than the iPhone 11 Pro Max one. Just have a look at this beautiful view, and you can see the clouds clearly. These are stunning night mode shots. Get ready for amazing shots coming soon to AliouTV. In the meantime, check out the channel, subscribe if you haven't, and share to your friends.